So hello friends, I'm your friend Himan and you are watching Shooting Star in English, okay? And today I will show you how to do orange justice step in 4 steps, okay? So make sure you watch video till the end because fourth one is most of important of all. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So step number 1, just side, okay, not like this, like this, and make sure you use your shoes side, okay, the part of your shoes which is side like this. Okay, I know it's look foolish, but you have to do this for the sake of the step, okay? It's easy, okay? Let's go to step number 2, which is up down. Just do this step and go down, first down, then up, okay? And remember, while doing this you have to put some extra effort to go to sides, okay, like this, 3, 4, and for the last one you have to do like this, not this, okay, and up. Ooh. Okay, now one more time. Okay, you got it? Good. Now step 3, just use your hands like you can use your hand whatever you feel like, just enjoy. You can use like this or you can clap. Woo! Just make sure you have some fun, man. Okay, if you didn't get how to do orange justice in 3 steps, then watch number 4 point. You just have to sit and do this same step with your legs, okay, and just practice like this. By doing this, your body train how to do this, and without sitting you easily do this, okay? I hope you like my video and this video helped you to do orange justice, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will upload a new video very soon, and make sure to also subscribe to my another channel which is Hindi version of this channel. In that channel I already have 34k subscribers, okay? So this channel is specially for my English subscribers, okay? So keep supporting guys. I will upload very soon a new video, so keep supporting. Love you. Yeah.
I hope you like my video. Before going anywhere, also watch my dance videos and another tutorials which are up here, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please also click on bell icon so you never miss any update from me, and keep dancing, keep loving. Peace out.